you looking for the best quality women's full zip mock neck jacket? If yes, presenting Women's Snuggle Fleece Jacket. This Columbia women's fleece jacket is designed to give you ultimate comfort and warm during cold winter days. This made attractive design with 60% polyester, 36% cotton, 4% spandex. Easy care too. Machine washable and tumble dry low. This women's fleece jacket features two side zippered security pockets to keep your small items secure. Zipper closure mock neck full zip silhouette. Diamond logo on back neck. Best gift idea for birthday, marriage day, Christmas day, Valentine day. So why are you waiting? To buy, visit us, www.hibalyinc.com/Jan. Thank you.